After installing QGIS, you need to install the QAequilibraE plugin. And to do so, we can go to Plugins, Manage Install Plugins. It can take some time for the screen to appear, depending on your connection. You can go to All and just type QAequilibraE with 3 letters. It already shows. You click Install Plugin. It will give you a message saying that it needs to install some missing Python packages. You have to press OK, otherwise the plugin will not work. Press OK. This can take anywhere from 15 seconds to 3-4 minutes, depending on your connection and your processing power on your laptop, on your computer. It will give you this message that you may need to restart QGIS. Depending on your system, you may have to. Press OK. It will post-process a few things. The plugin is installed and is showed there. If it doesn't show here, you can go to Manage Install and go into your installed plugins, and it has to be clicked there. If it's clicked but still nothing shows, you can click with the right button on the empty space on the gray bar, and you can see the aequilibrae panel needs to be open. If still doesn't show, restart your QGIS and the plugin should be working.